Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this video series because I wanted to provide people with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under that. Today, I want to talk to you about what a workers' compensation doctor is. And the first important thing to understand is that workers' compensation doctors don't work for the workers' compensation insurance companies. They're independent doctors. However, your employer in your workers' compensation case or their insurance company will often do this for them, will pick certain doctors who are listed on what's known as a panel of physicians. The panel of physicians is a list of workers' compensation doctors that you can choose from to treat with if you suffer an injury at work. So when many people talk about workers' compensation doctors, what they're talking about is the doctors who are listed on that panel of physicians. So what is that workers' compensation doctor? Well, they're doctors that you can pick from, and your particular workers' compensation doctor will be the doctor you select to serve as the authorized treating physician in your case. Your authorized treating physician is your main workers' compensation doctor. That doctor you select can treat you for your injury, can provide treatment, be it ordering medication or physical therapy or diagnostic testing like x-rays or MRIs or surgery if the doctor thinks you need it. So they can provide that treatment. They can also refer you to other doctors for specialized treatment. So if you see a primary care doctor or family doctor and that doctor thinks that you need to see an orthopedic specialist, the doctor could write you a referral. And that's something that the workers' compensation insurance company would have to pay for. So it's very important that you have a good workers' compensation doctor because that doctor is going to be the one who directs your treatment as the authorized treating physician in your case. So to make decisions about medical treatment, the doctor will also, as I've talked about in other videos, make decisions about your work status and whether you can go back to work or not. And what that doctor says can have a big impact on your case. If the doctor says you're able to do full-duty work, it could potentially result in the suspension of your benefits. Or if the doctor says that you could do light-duty work that you're not able to do, that could hurt your case as well. So it's important to make a good decision about your workers' compensation doctor. There are, as I've discussed in other videos in this series, rights to change doctors. So if you are in a situation where you're not getting the treatment you need from a workers' compensation doctor, you may certainly want to look into that. I hope you found this information about what a workers' compensation doctor is helpful. If you have, please reach out to me and let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you'd like more information about Georgia workers' compensation, I recommend checking out the rest of my videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. They're all available on our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can also subscribe there if you want to be notified of future videos as I put them out. If you've got some specific questions about workers' compensation doctors or any other issues in your workers' compensation case, I think it's important to get answers to those. And I think the best way to do that is by a consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. I provide free consultations in workers' compensation cases, so if you'd like to set one up, you can reach out to me in two easy ways. One is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, or the second is by visiting our website. That's www.perkinslawtalk.com. You can complete and submit our free consultation request form there, and someone from my office will contact you to get a consultation set up. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.